All right, guys, so what are you going to do in here? Basically, everything is about naming the compounds, okay? So in this part in here, what I want you to focus right now, it's the numbers that you see here at the bottom. In this example, you have Cl2O7. The 2, remember, you're always going to start with the di, and the 7 is going to be with the hepto, okay? So in this case right here, Cl, when you go to the periodic table, you know that Cl means what? Chlorine, okay? And the O is for oxygen. And remember, for oxygen, every time that you put the name of the molecule, you're going to change it to oxide. So in this part right here, you have the di, as in 2, dichlorine, okay, plus heptaoxide. So the A for the hepta, you're going to move it and you're going to change it to O. So the final name is actually dichlorine heptoxide. Okay, so what I did for you in this document, I named each one of you, or each one of the items that you see. For mono, it's only one atom. So in this case right here, mono is the prefix, and the other one, you have only one atom. So NO, you know the N is 1 and O is 1. N, when you go to the periodic table, means nitrogen. O as in oxygen, but remember, you change with oxide, so it's nitrogen monoxide. What are you going to do? The same thing for NO2. So 2 is di, as in 2 atoms. So it's going to be nitrogen dioxide. Then you have the tri. Where do you see the tri? After the oxygen, right? So that means that N2O3, it has 3 atoms for oxygen. So in this case, it's going to be the nitrogen trioxide, and so on. Okay, try to understand the examples, because once you get it, what you're going to do, you're going to move next. This is a way for you to memorize what mono means, di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, all this. Try to memorize all that for the final test before Friday. So when you see in here, you have the CCl. You're going to go to the periodic table, find the C. What is C? Okay, and then after that, what is Cl? Remember to put the full number 4, which is what? Tetra, is going to be before the Cl. So it's going to be tetra and whatever you have for Cl, okay? Okay, so the same thing for each one of them. I believe you have in here 11, so make sure to complete all this by today. After you're naming all these molecules, okay, you're going to go next, all right? You're going to click in here. It's going to take you to this simulation. Okay, when you are in this simulation, just make sure that you click where it says real molecules, okay? So what you're going to do in here, you're going to see that it says H2O. You're going to click where it says in here molecule geometry and electron geometry. You're going to need this part. What I want you to do on this part, if you look in here, it says electron geometry and molecular geometry. You're going to put here the name for H2O, which is tetrahedral. And then for the molecule geometry, it's going to be bent. So you're going to write in here bent. And then you're going to draw the molecules. How does it look like? What you need to do the drawing, because on the next part, and then you're going to see this so on for all of them, okay? Once you're done with this part, you're going to move on to the last one. You need the drawing in the previous example or the previous exercise, because you're going to pick the 3 of them, any of them. It could be H2O, it could be XeF4, SF4, any of them. The thing is that you need 3 of them, okay? You're going to actually first put the name, write the name, and then after that, you're going to use the molecular kit, which is actually on the main table. You're going to find them in there. Make sure that you understand that each one of the molecules has a different name, okay? One of different elements. I believe some of them has a carbon, which is another color. They have different colors, so I have the guide here for you. Once you have it, find the color that you need, and then you're going to create the molecule. It's going to be very similar to this. Okay, only that you're going to do it for real. Once you have the kit and you have the molecule created, you're going to take a picture of it, and then you're going to insert the picture in here. Okay, that's it for today. It's only 3 of them, 3 molecules. Once you're done, just give me the paper, and you're done for today. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you.